Lazy Blur is the perfect companion to my Lazy Grain DCTL. When you apply it on the node before grain, it adds a touch of granularity. Your clinical digital image becomes not so sharp yet not blurry. I'd call it filmic-ish soft. And of course, you can use Lazy Blur on its own for artistic needs like a glass blur or to stylize graphics and motion elements. So how does it work? Unlike regular blurs that sample an area around each pixel, Lazy Blur picks a random direction per pixel, then calculates either an average or a Gaussian along that line. You can make the blur size depend on pixel luminance. There are no dependence. 1. Shadows get more blur. 2. Midtones. 3. Highlights. Use the inner contrast control to adjust luminance, which affects the blur size. You can also switch between dynamic or static behavior. Lazy Blur is available on my GitHub, along with my other open source DCTLs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And thank you for your like and subscription.